Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you brief on GATE in civil engineering. What is GATE? GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. This is an examination which is conducted to test the understanding of various undergraduate subjects in engineering and science. Where does this GATE leads us into? GATE helps us get into either master program or job in PSU. This year, GATE is being conducted by IIT Kharagpur. Let us look into further contents of the video. So now let us look into the contents of my video. My video has brief of GATE syllabus, GATE exam pattern, GATE category wise marks distribution and GATE exam strategy. Each one will have different exam strategy, but just I will give what are the main things which we need to implement in a preparation. So first is the GATE syllabus. So first section is engineering mathematics. Here you can see I have it's a list of topics and subtopics. So engineering mathematics has topics like linear algebra, calculus, ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation, probability and statistics, numerical method. So if you want to get pro in this engineering mathematics, you need to thoroughly go into all these topics and look into matter thoroughly and practice questions as maximum as possible. The second section is structural engineering, which is subdivided into many other topics like engineering mechanics, solid mechanics, structural analysis, construction material and management, and concrete structure. For your ease, here the topics and subtopics are mentioned. So please try to go through into this thoroughly. Next comes, and also steel structure also is included in the section 2. Section 3 is geotechnical engineering, which is subdivided into soil mechanics and foundation engineering. So I have also mentioned what like it's mentioned here, like what are topics of soil mechanics and what are the topics of foundation engineering. Section 4 is water resource engineering, which consists of fluid mechanics, hydraulics, hydrology, irrigation. Fifth one, environmental engineering, water and wastewater quality treatment, air pollution, municipal solid waste. The sixth is transportation engineering, which consists of transportation infrastructure, highway pavement, traffic engineering. The last one is the geometric engineering. So now we have looked into brief of the GATE syllabus. What are the topics? What are the subtopics? What topics are included and what topics we need to give importance. Now, let us look into the category wise marks distribution and exam pattern. First comes the GATE exam pattern. So, what is the examination mode? It's a computer based test which has duration of 3 hours or 180 minutes. There is no sectional time limit. Sectional time limit means, see, as GATE exam is divided into many sections like general aptitude, engineering mathematics, core discipline. So for each section there is nothing like time limit. You can run in between the sections. So only you will have a total time limit, not a sectional time limit. Total marks is 100. Number of questions will be 65 and the number of subjects will be 27. Number of subject in means number of category like civil, mechanical, computer science. So other categories are there. So about 27 categories are included here. So number of sections depending upon your category. Now if you come to civil, there are about 3 category which consist of general aptitude, engineering mathematics and core discipline. So what are the types of questions we get in the examination? One will be multiple choice question which has negative marking, multiple select questions which doesn't have negative marking, and numerical answer NAT questions which doesn't have negative marking. What are multiple choice questions? In this question, you will have one question and four choices, and you need to choose between those choices. Multiple select questions are those where one or more correct answers in the list of possible answers. Then comes the numerical answer type, where a fill in the blanks will be provided. So marking scheme are 1 or 2 marks for each correct answer. There will be negative marking. For 1 mark MCQ, 1/3 mark will be deducted. For 2 mark MCQ, 2/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. As I mentioned earlier, no negative marking for MSQ and NATS. So these are the subject wise weightage. This is like for 100%, what is the weightage? Here the topics have been listed and weightage percentage have also been listed. And also for 4 consecutive years, that is 21, 2020, 2019, 2018, I have mentioned here. So the topics are like general aptitude, mathematics engineering, irrigation and hydrology, fluid mechanics, environmental engineering, structure analysis, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, geomatics, RCC, steel structure, construction material and management, engineering mechanics and solid mechanics. So based on this weightage, you can make your strategy or you can start your preparation. So this is for 2021, this is for 2020, 2019, and this is for 2018. So what are this importance of weightage? What happens is we can give the best output and uh, give it effectively after utilizing all the time and effort. And also subject can be given importance. See, now as you have seen, which subject have more weightage, which subject have lesser weightage. Based on that, we can plan our study. Like the most important subject will be finished earlier, or the least importance can be finished earlier, finished later. Then browse syllabus and plan study. So according to the weightage, you can collect as number of questions, as number of material, and also you can prepare well for those subjects which are more important. And also for the one which have least importance, if you don't have time, if you don't get time, you can just browse through the main highlights. So what happens, main highlights like insert C, you can just look into important points, or also you can look into the previous year question paper. Based on that, you can just give importance, so that if that question is repeated, you can easily answer it. Then comes leave least important topics. Least important in means like if there is only 1% or 0%, such topics can be left. It's a choice of each individual. It depends on individual to individual. Like if you want to give importance to all the subject, complete whole syllabus, or just uh, concentrate on some important subject, give more importance, and then plan the strategy. So now let's look into a strategy. First one is make a study schedule. This is a very important part where making a study schedule. So once you go through a gate syllabus, once you go through the weightage, once you get to know everything, you need to make a study plan, which is good idea to begin a gate preparation. What happens when you have a study plan? It helps you to keep a consistent track of daily, weekly, or monthly activity, and also helps you to monitor your progress. And we can be well focused and organized, and also gives a sense of direction to achieve your sets or goals. The second strategy, finding your strength and weakness. So this strength and weakness can be found out by taking many tests, looking into the topics thorough. When you look into many tests, what will happen? You get to know in which part or which subject you are thorough and where you lack. So based on that, you can categorize it, and also you can focus on that so that you can maximize the probability of increasing your gate score. Then third comes clarifying the doubts. While preparing for GATE, it's obvious to have doubts. So make it a point to get all your doubts cleared well before the examination. You can ask experts, you can ask teachers, you can ask your peer, so that you don't have to wait until the day of examination. Then revise. This is the main important thing. Revision is key for scoring good marks. As many times you revise, that many times it's important to you. Then finally, keeping your exam stress in check. I know everyone will have anxiety, everyone will have stress, but we need to manage it, or we need to break that our performance level doesn't reach our performance level doesn't get hindered due to anxiety. So by creating proper study plan, identifying our strength and weakness, getting our doubt clear, this can surely help us to beat exam stress. Hope everyone will find this video helpful, and all the best for your exam preparation.